Today we will see practical number 1, how to measure linear and angular dimensions with the help of linear and angular measuring instruments. So today we will see vernier caliper. So you can see this is vernier caliper. So this vernier caliper is used for measurement of internal dimensions as well as external dimensions. So this is called as outside jaw and this is called as inside jaw. And this probe is called as depth probe. So with the help of this depth probe we can measure the depth of given job. So let us see. First of all, this surface is called as surface plate. So in an industry, this surface plate is used for a reference purpose. So we cannot put a job directly on a ground because the ground is not perfectly flat. The irregularities present in the surface or the irregularities present on the ground. Because of that, there are chances air gap may be present between them. So we need some reference. So this surface plate gives us reference for measurement purpose. So this surface plate is made up of granite and whose dimensions are 630 by 630 mm square. And you can check anywhere its surface finish is maintained 0.05 micron. So now let us see. So this vernier caliper, you can see it is having a two scale. This scale is main scale and having a 150 divisions, which is fixed, and second scale is moving. So moving scale is called as vernier scale and having a 50 divisions. 0 to 1 there are 5 divisions: 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45 and 50. So on vernier scale there are 50 divisions. Now question is how to take reading and how to find out the least count of vernier caliper. So now we will see how to find least count vernier caliper. So according to the principle of vernier caliper, it is having a two scale which are slightly different in a size, slightly difference in a size. So what are that scale? One is main scale which is fixed, and another one is vernier scale which is moving. Now let us see. Okay, now let us see if we match here you can see 0 of vernier scale matches to 0 of main scale. And now look at the 50th division of vernier scale. As I told you that there are 50 divisions marked on a vernier scale. Now here you can see the 50th division is matches with 49th division of main scale. Hence the vernier scale is less than main scale. So this is the difference which is provided. This is the intentional difference provided between these two scale, and this is the principle which vernier caliper is working. Now we will the least count of vernier caliper. Okay, now see 50th division of vernier scale is matches with 49th division of main scale, and value of 1 division main scale is equals to 1 mm, and value of vernier scale, value of one division of vernier scale is equals to how much? So we can easily calculate. So value of one division of vernier scale is equals to 49th division by 50th, so it will become 0.98 mm. So according to the principle, what principle states? Two scale and which are slightly different in a size. So we will apply over here. One is main scale and another one is vernier scale. So one value of one division of main scale is 1 mm minus value of one division of vernier scale, all we have calculated over here, that is 0.98, and we will get 0.02 mm. So this is the least count of vernier caliper. We have second formula. So with the help of we can calculate least count of vernier caliper is equals to smallest division on main scale divided by total number of division on vernier scale. So just see over here. Okay, this is main scale which is fixed. From 0 to 150 divisions are marked over here. Now question is, which one is the smallest division on a main scale? If there are 150 division, so smallest division will be 1 mm, that we can measure. 0 to 1, this is the smallest division, and the total number of divisions on a vernier scale are 50. 5 into 10, 50. So we will put in this formula 1 by 50, we will get 0.02 mm. So in this two way we can calculate the value of least count. Now third point is how to take reading with the help of vernier caliper. So we have one formula, main scale reading plus vernier scale reading into least count. Main scale reading plus vernier scale reading into least count. Okay, so we have a plug gauge. This is go no go gauge. So we will measure its dimension with the help of vernier caliper. Okay. Okay, we will see. So we have to check the 0 with respect to the main scale. So 0 is matching with 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 mm, and 0 is somehow ahead of 14, so we don't know. So we can calculate with the help of this formula. So we got main scale reading, that is 40 plus. So now we have to find out vernier scale reading. So here you can see we have to find the division which matches with main scale. So you can see 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So 20 division is matches with the main scale. So vernier scale reading becomes 20 into least count. Least count is 0.02 mm. So it will become 14 plus. So it will become 0.4. So answer will be 14.04 mm. So in this way we can calculate we can take the reading of with the help of vernier caliper. Just now we have calculated diameter with the help of outside jaw. So this jaw is called as, which is used for measurement of outside diameter, such as we can calculate, and this jaw is called as inside jaw. So this jaw is used for a calculation of inside dimensions. So we will calculate inside dimensions. So these two jaw are calibrated with main scale. So here you can see, uh, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, it is 49 point something. So 49 point something. So MSR plus VSR into LC, this is the formula. So we got main scale reading, that is 44. Okay, just concentrate over here. It is 44 plus, find out the vernier scale reading. Okay, so 31 is matches, 31 plus 0.02. so you can calculate. So it will come 44 point plus 0.62, so 44.62 mm. So now we will calculate depth. So this is the depth probe. With the help of depth probe we can measure depth. Again, depth probe is calibrated with main scale. So here you can see. So again you can see. So now we will calculate depth. So this is inside dia, outside dia. Now depth. So 0 is matches to 52 division. 52 plus, here you can see the 4 means 5, 10, 15, 20. 20 division is matches to the main scale. So 20 into 0.02. So it will becomes 50 plus, it will become 50 plus 52 plus 0.4. So 52.04 mm. Okay, so I hope you have gone through the vernier caliper, and generally vernier caliper is used for measurement of outside dimensions, inside dimensions and depth measurement. So please count out vernier caliper is 0.02 mm. I told you the different two ways by which we can measure the least count of vernier caliper. Least count of vernier caliper is 0.02 mm. So thank you guys. So in the next lecture we will see how to find out the least count of vernier caliper as well as micrometer and all other instruments. Thank you.